Young man, please can I see you? So, are you the security man in this apartment?
Yes, it's me.
Oh, you're the security man.
Continue.
Actually, I came to confirm the apartment because I need to check things before I pay up the money. Okay, so I'm coming right away. Okay.
I hope if you come, you know as the thing they go now, bro.
Oh, no problem.
As I dey here like this, they never pay my salary, sir. I never eat.
No worry, you don't have problem. I'll see you. Okay.
Yeah, I wait for you, boss.
So, what's your name?
My name, Shaib.
Oh, Shaibu. Okay, don't worry. I'm coming right away. Okay.
You don't get issue with your car, sir. Apart say I dey here, I'm out to no worry. You know, to the boss. Very good. Dey with you for salary.
I'm coming.
Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, they struggle. Hey! Jesus.
5 years of madness.
God have mercy upon us.
Hey! Boss, please excuse me, boss. Boss, I beg help me.
Wait happen.
Boss, my house, now me I come buy for this place. I can't see person for here. He tell me say be the security boy. I tell her say okay. Make I go inside. Go check the house before I make payment. Boss, when I come out, I don't see my money again.
Let's say you never know this place. Oh. Ijoba Central Benabu.
This man.
You don't know waiting they sup. Even as you dey so like, even as you dey there like this, you don't know. Still saving loss for your body. you never sabi waiting they sup. Just dey there.
Okay.
Hey! Kakaku!